What if your thyroid is affecting your skin, your hair, and your energy? T3 is the active form of thyroid hormone. It helps regulate how your cells use energy and supports normal growth and repair. Your skin depends on normal thyroid hormone signaling too. When thyroid function is impaired, skin can become dry, rough, or less healthy looking. And your hair can be affected too. Thyroid disorders can contribute to hair shedding, dry hair, or changes in hair texture. Most of the thyroid hormone released by your thyroid is T4. Your body then converts some T4 into the active hormone, T3. Start with a balanced diet that provides enough protein and essential thyroid nutrients such as iodine and selenium, and avoid extreme calorie restriction. Severe dieting can reduce T3 levels as your body adapts to low energy availability. Prioritize sleep, recovery, regular movement, and a balanced lifestyle instead of chasing a quick hormone hack. But don't try to increase T3 with thyroid hormones or supplements on your own. If you have persistent fatigue, hair loss, or dry skin, get your thyroid checked. Healthy skin and hair start with healthy biology. Follow for more science-based health tips.